Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm actually again low-key excited for this. I feel like I say this for every video, but you guys, I received a package in the mail that I'm so excited to open and show you guys. Before I even open this package, let me just tell you a little bit about this company. This company is called Gona Jewelry, you guys. If you have not heard of them, you guys need to go ahead and check them out. Gona is a fine jewelry brand known for its unconventional designs and playful signature charm. Let's just say it's almost like a charm club. They sell the most gorgeous jewelry on there, anywhere from bracelets to earrings to necklaces, gorgeous charms that I'm just like obsessed with. You have to go on their site and go look through it. I'm pretty sure you're going to fall in love with just the look of it. So this company is from France, and ooh, you guys, I can't even, y'all, they reached out to me asking for me to review their stuff, and y'all already know I had to say yes because I love me some jewelry. So as y'all can see, I am ready. So their headquarters is in Strasbourg, France, but the store is in the center of the city, which is a must-see attraction. Y'all, I had to look it up to see what it looks like. And you guys, this is what the boutique looks like. It's so fancy, it's so luxury, and it just looks so pretty. And then this is what the flagship store looks like. Again, really fancy. You can definitely tell it's just like elevated, very luxurious. So definitely, if like you're out in Paris, go check them out. Like if you're from Paris, go over there to those stores and take photos and tag me because I want to see what that looks like. Worldwide free shipping over $39. Like y'all can't beat that. And they give you a 365-day warranty. So yeah, go check them out. And you guys already know I do have a promo code for you guys. If you use this code right here, you can get 20% discount off your total order. And the fact that the prices on the site itself is already low as it is, like, so for me, when they did reach out to me, I was able to go ahead on the site and pick every single one that I wanted. So I'm actually really excited because I haven't even opened. This is what the box looks like. I haven't even opened it yet. This has been sitting on the side for like a week and change already, but I was tempted to open it, but I didn't. Like, I held my ground. And when I went on their website, like, you could definitely tell like they put a lot of thought into each kind of little item. It just looks really pretty. But let me just open this package and just show you guys everything that I picked. And yeah, let's just open it. And y'all already know this is a nail channel, so y'all know I'm gonna do a design for these, so keep watching because it's definitely coming. Okay, so this is the box that it comes with. You see the logo. Yeah, I didn't even do my nails. Don't worry, the nail design is coming soon. So let's just open this. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god, dear Lissette, with each charm on your bracelet, you may be reminded of joy you bring to others. Thank you for being a positive force in the world of influence. Have a nice day. Gona Jewelry. How cute is that? Thank you. Another little pouch. Y'all, it's already feeling luxury. Look at that. Let's see what this is. This is pretty thick. Oh, and they give you a certificate to show proof that, you know, it passes everything like inspection and stuff. That's cool. Test report. Okay, I'll see you. So we have the little pamphlet, Gona Paris. Look at that. I saw this on the site. I was looking at the site today. So this is what we do. We got 3 boxes. Let's take all of them out. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, we're empty. This is nice. So they give you a pouch. This is a great idea. If this was gonna be a gift, you could take this and gift it to your special someone. This is nice. Is this polished cloth if you wanted to polish your charms, clean your jewelry. Instructions in the back, logo everywhere. Look at that. I'm excited. We have a pouch where you could save your jewelry. Oh, it's a nice soft material too. This is so smart. So that's nice. I like that they include, oh, and this one is smaller. Okay, so we have 2 sizes, a larger one and a smaller one. That is perfect, y'all. The bag itself, everything feels luxury, and I'm digging the green. Okay, so let's open the little one first. You guys, look at that. So it comes in like a little protective pouch. Let's just open this. This is a pair of earrings. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. So I'm actually tell you each one as I go along. This is called Little Daisy Hoop, and these are going for $44.99 right now. How pretty is this? Oh, hold on, hold up, let me put these on. See, we have a little clasp right there. OMG. Oh, and it's actually lightweight. I am I've never had earrings like this. This is so pretty. I love it. Y'all, this is like Christmas. Let's do the second one. Y'all, I feel like so kiddie-ish right now. I don't think y'all understand when females get new jewelry, it's just like everything. I'm saving every little thing. This is so pretty. Okay, this chain is called the Flexible Snake. And one thing about this, all of them is sterling silver and they're all dipped in 14 karat gold. I just wanted to shout that out. It's dipped in 14 karat gold. And everything that I picked, majority of the stuff that I picked is from a specific collection. It is from the Versailles Gold series. On their site, they have like different collections and it has it like all lined up for like what will match like specifically for that charm. Look at it. This is gorgeous. Let's put it on. I am in love. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, that is so pretty. This is going for $25.99. Y'all, they are tarnish resistant as well. Oh, that is so pretty. I am feeling so fancy. This is the big boy. I need it up close to my face so I can see. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. You guys know me. I love gold. And gold is not the only thing they have on the site. They have silver. They have rose gold. I'm a gold fiend. So this was right up my alley. Oh, this is so pretty. So there's a clasp right here that you put your nail and it kind of opens up. And then lock it. You guys. OMG, this is gorgeous. So let me just show you each one. So I did end up going back into my email because some of these wasn't the ones that I physically chose. I'm gonna have to look up some of the prices for some of the ones that I didn't choose. So this is a different one. I guess the one that I wanted, they didn't have it in stock, so they substituted it for this one. This one I'm not sure the price. I'm thinking it goes around the same price. The one that I originally picked was $21.99. So I'm assuming this is around that price range. But this is really pretty. It's like a purple star right here. It has a little star right there. Oh, and a moon on this side. Again, I'm gonna just leave the image of what price for this one is. What this does is as you're taking this off and on, it's like a safety chain so none of your charms falls out, which is so smart. And it looks cute. So that's what these are. These go on opposite ends. The bar itself, I specifically chose this one. Do come in different sizes. Comes in silver, rose gold, different types. There's not only a heart. For my wrist, I chose the smallest size. And look, I still have room. This one right here, this is another one that I didn't choose, but I appreciate them substituting it for me. And this one says, lucky to have you. Really cute. I'll insert an image of that one. She is called Interwoven and she is going for $18.99. Super affordable. Super affordable. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This one is called Romantic Encounters and this one again $18.99. You cannot beat the price on them. Oh, this one is pretty. This one is called Micro Brood Rose, $19.99. It's like not only on one side, it's on both sides and even around the edge. Like look at that. That is so pretty. So this next one, this is called Butterfly Dance, right? Yeah, Butterfly Dance. Butterfly Dance goes for again $18.99. I can't even tell you which one is my favorite. Like they're all gorgeous. This one is called Strength of Heart. Look at that. Look at how pretty. Again, I have a promo code for you guys. 20% off. Use my discount code. You can mix and match. What's great about this, if I wanted to add a charm in here, I can take one of these and put it on my necklace. If I wanted to take these earrings, look at this. Look at this. I could take this off and only wear the hoop. The hoop is gorgeous. But look, if I wanted to wear it just like that, something simple, nothing crazy, I can. Charm itself, I could hang it on my wrist. Or I could put it here, like a little choker thingy. So I love the fact that I can mix and match. Super happy, super happy. So I want to talk a little bit more about this brand, but I do want to do my nails at the same time. So I am going to start doing my nails. I'm going to do something really simple, something gold and blinged out. Real cute. This is not a tutorial, you guys. This is just me doing my nails. So, but I am going to go ahead. I'm going to use some golds for you because it's gold, you guys. Gold blings, and then y'all already know I'm gonna do some stilettos, but I am gonna cut it shorter. Yeah, let's just get to it. So once I took out my sizes, I actually went one size up because I wanted to make these a little bit shorter, but I didn't want to have to do the whole stiletto nail shaping again. So I actually cut it from the opposite ends where you glue them on. So that's why I did go one size up. I cut it shorter, and once I glued them on, they're already stiletto, so I didn't really have to do too much after that. I did go in and file the tip again because I wanted these extremely pointy, almost like too pointy. And I did go over the surface to file it a little bit because once I cut it down, it was a little thicker on top. So yeah, I just made sure that that was a little bit more blended out, and nothing was like sticking up. But from there, I wanted these to be gold, and as I stated earlier, I did want to use like this gold foil, and I have so many different types of gold foil, so I really matched this one to go with the jewelry piece itself. So for the transfer foil gel, all I did was once I applied it, I cured it for 45 seconds, and then I started adhering the gold foil. And you guys, this was so easy and it looks so pretty. I only went halfway up because I did want to ombre it, but as you see, I just stuck it on and I rubbed it in, just making sure I get all around the edges. And once I peeled it back, everything was stuck, and this was like the easiest thing ever. I went in with Peach Perfect Hard Gel, and this is where I just take a small amount and I start ombreing this down. This is hilarious because I did state earlier that I didn't want this to be a tutorial, but I still feel like I need to tell you the steps. I don't know, like this is like I tried not to make this a tutorial, but I feel like it still is a tutorial. But anyway, as I was doing these nails, I just couldn't stop thinking about the jewelry. Like, it just looks so pretty on my wrist, and I was just so thankful that they sent it over to me, and I just appreciate that they took the time to, replace the ones that I originally wanted but I couldn't get because they were sold out. And I just want to just say they just didn't randomly do it and not tell me. They did email me, and I did go to respond back to let them know like it was fine for them to replace it, but I guess I didn't send it. Like, it was saved in draft and I never sent it out. So it was my fault that I didn't respond back to them, because then I could have chose which one I wanted. But I'm still truly grateful and thankful that they did pick beautiful pieces to substitute for me. And like I said, I'm just so thankful. Yeah, and the nails, y'all, I wanted this to be a simple design, and it is still simple, but when y'all see the final look, y'all, this just like, it reminds me of like a birthday set. Like, I could see somebody wearing these for their birthday, and it looks so good with the jewelry. It is just so pretty. But anyway, as y'all see, I'm just going in one by one. I'm putting that gel on top. I'm blending it down. I'm curing in between as I normally do. And then you are going to go back and see me add some crystal clear hard gel and start encapsulating. As I was encapsulating these, you guys, the gold just intensified and magnified the look of the nails, and it just looks so pretty when things are encapsulated. And it just, I don't know, like,
I'm just like in love when things are encapsulated. But I did go ahead, I cured that for a full 60. I cleans off that sticky layer, and then I did go back and start filing. I hand filed this entire thing. Like, I didn't even bother pulling out that drill because it didn't need it. But I just filed it, I buffed it into shape, and they just look so pretty and pointy. I was like in love. To finish these nails off, I took my champagne crystal box, and you guys, this is the closest thing I had to gold, but it looks so good with the gold foil underneath. Of course, you already know I'm going in with my Bling and White rhinestone gel. I applied that on top, placed the crystals, and cured it in place. And the same type of crystals went on each and every single nail. The placement, all the same, consistent, and again, cured it for a full 60 seconds, you guys. And this is what it looks like. It just looks so pretty, luxurious. It looks so good with the bracelet, y'all. I am obsessed with this bracelet, and you guys, you're gonna see this in like every single video going forward, me wearing the jewelry. So keep a lookout for the jewelry. But if you guys, like I said, if you're interested, go to the website and check it out. I'm sure you're gonna find something you love. This is a perfect item for Christmas. If it's for your mother, your daughter, you know, mother-in-law, sister, anybody, you know, they even have like a men's bracelet that you can buy, you know, like it's just so pretty, and they have so many options and collections for you to choose.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much, Gona, for sending this over. Everybody check out the description box. I have all the links below for you guys. Use my code for 20% off so you guys can save. I hope you guys enjoyed the nails as well. But y'all, that is it for this video. Love ya.